What does that mean? Boom. All right, we should be good. What up, everybody? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing, chat? Hello. You guys be able to hear me? You guys can hear me? You guys hear me? Yes, sir. All right, let's go. Welcome back. Let me add everyone and say we live. Boom. Can't hear me? Yeah. You guys not hear me? All good. Yeah. Why would someone say that? Someone say like I can hear him or something? Let me put this. You get some W's in the chat, guys. W's, W's, W. All right. Thank you. Love you. All right, guys, let's get into it. My bad. I want to make sure that that was working. Anyone on YouTube, make sure you guys can ask any questions as well. I can get to you as well. But let's get into it, guys. You can see we didn't miss much. Price going sideways here on NQ. One of the things I want to touch on is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's what I think is happening right here. Is we have a fat accumulation where I think we might come and take out these lows, and I'm not gonna sell right away. Why? Because we have this low right here that I think we're gonna come and sweep into this level and come back into the range. I just have that feeling. That's just my bias. If you hate and tell it to something, I'm kidding. Go into the fib too. Yeah, no, we'll be good. The buys is crazy this morning. That's what I'm saying. So let's just try to get our little piece of the pie. YM already took out these highs, so this makes me less likely to want to take buys due to the fact that liquidity has already been taken to the upside. So I would want us to come and sweep these lows or something before that move. Whereas NQ, like, yes, we swept like way over here or whatever, but to me, we kind of accumulate a little bit. I think we can maybe come tap this gap and get a little reaction. Oh, you guys can hear him? Yeah. Can you guys send the link to the YouTube in there too? Because you definitely can hear on YouTube. At least I believe so. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, we're going on YouTube. All right, yeah. Look at look at that reaction already, guys. Of those lows. Yo, yo. What about everybody in the chat? Hope you guys are doing well. If you guys just got here, say what's up in the chat. I do not know if you're here unless you say what's good. That's all I'm gonna say. Yes, sir. What's good? 41. Yes, sir. Vex, I have to look into your ticket or something, bro. I'm guessing you have a ticket open. You can check it after. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Where's the new car? It's still getting shipped here. Luca, where are your tats? No tattoos yet. I'm thinking about getting one, but you guys will see. What kind of car? I haven't said it yet. You guys keep guessing. I kind of put a little bit of it because it had like a sold thing that the dealer sent me. So I kind of posted a little bit of what the interior looks like, but no one knows yet. I'm gonna keep it a secret because I'm also getting some work done to it too. So not only did it take forever because I'm getting it shipped from Florida to California, but on top of it, once it gets here, I have some stuff getting done to it. So my guess is the Lexus LFA. No, no BMWs, no Lexus. Come on, guys. What country is it from? Not here. Not America. Awesome. I guess why I'm starting to come down a little bit. Is it a coupe? Yes, sir. Two door. It's a convertible. It's the whole reason I got it. I wanted something convertible that I could kind of check out. Look at the volume coming down right here, guys. We're tapping into this gap. Kind of see that here. We can split screen. If some of you guys think that YM is moving pretty good, we also can come in here and split screen for those of you guys. So we'll have NQ on the left, and we'll also have YM over here on the right. We're both in the 5-minute here. Now I'm in the 1-minute here. So that's the first letter we'll get. Bro, there's not that many cars. Like, like if I said that, you guys would definitely guess it. Nah, it's nothing like super crazy, guys. At the end of the day, it's a car that I've always loved, and I mean, bro, it was my dream car to get when I first started trading. Not dream goal, my dream car. Like, if I ever got something past this, guys, it would then be like a Lamborghini SVJ or something like that. But other than that, I've always just wanted these type of cars. What's your car you want to get now? I just got a new one. Like I've had two cars, now I just got another one. When does it arrive, dude? I mean, it was supposed to be here. Let's just put it that way. Um, but it's gonna be here Friday. What colors? That's what I'm saying. I don't want to tell you guys the color or anything, just because I'm getting it. Like it's all getting it's all getting pimped out when we get here. And like the reason why I wanted to do this type of car is that there's so much you can kind of add to it over time. That's why I love these cars, because like it's more fun. Like you can get like one super nice car that like you barely can drive, you have to keep it in the garage and fucking can't do anything to, or you can get a car that you can love, drop the top, go fast, and mod it out and shit, which is what I want to do. It's an IKEA car. Dang, it's a Kia. How'd you know? Buddy bought a Jeep. No, I have my dream Bronco right now. If you guys haven't seen my Bronco, I souped that shit out. It has custom interior, lifted front light bar, um, big ass wheels on it. So it's definitely not like it's a two door. I told you guys, a two door coupe, the drop top. Mansory Sumi. No, but that's what I want to do to it is that like put a kit on it. So you kind of guess something is that it doesn't have a kit on it yet, but that is what I want to do is I do want to throw a kit on it. Nice 2000. C8. No, I don't like Corvettes either. All right, so you guys can see here. I know we're talking about cars, but at the end of the day, guys, we're waiting for price to give us something. You can see over here, we got US 30 YM on the like on the right, NASDAQ on the left. Like I said, I kind of like NASDAQ more, but we'll see. Definitely a Civic if you're modding it. That's hilarious. Definitely S65, bro. Nah. It's the wheelie, yes, sir. I'm saying, did you believe in Jesus? Are you saying, did I or do I? Which one is it? Because I mean, everyone has their own beliefs, but I think that you guys should all find some sort of God or energy or something that you guys can. I guess yes if we guess it. No, I don't want to just like spoil it. Like I said, is that even if I told you, it doesn't have what I like. What it looks like now isn't what it's gonna look like when I show you guys. So it's not like worth me. Does that make sense? Like, I could show you something, but it's gonna look different when you guys see it. So, and we'll see. Maybe I'll just do some of the stuff to it and then drop it, and then over time I'm gonna add more. Mandatory kit, nah, like the kit probably won't be on it. That's gonna take longer because I'm gonna have to drop it off, and it's gonna take time. Like I didn't buy this car to go drop it off for months right away. Nah, like it's gonna be taken away for like one more week, and then all of the next week it'll be getting worked on, and then I'll show you guys what. And then over time when I'm ready, I'm looking. I don't know if I told you guys I'm going to traveling next month and stuff. So yeah, such a tease. Poland, right, dude? So someone guessed that we're going to Poland. No, we're going somewhere else. My girlfriend's just from Poland. Isn't Nick traveling too? Yeah, Nick's going to Thailand, I believe. I love that. I don't know why that's so funny. I'm allergic to it. Anyone ever want to drop the old 401k on a trade and be set, right? You guys are funny. Someone said you guys are hilarious. Nah, Nick's the best. I hope you guys been going to London streams with Nick. Nick kills it. He's just like low bro, so it's funny. But no, he's gonna have fun. Thailand will be fun. What's the move we waiting for? I'm looking for buys above here, truthfully, on NASDAQ. We're moving pretty sideways right now. YM, we're kind of coming back down. We have a gap right here that we could see if we can invert, but as of now, both of them are just in a range. No trades for me just yet. You guys are crazy. Why I'm even ES has been fluid. Yeah, let's wait and see. Um, I see that the lot sizes in NT5 and NASDAQ are smaller profits as the gold size, for example, in legacy. Yeah, so like I have videos on the legacy YouTube going over contract sizes and the differences, but gold actually, like when you drop like a bigger contract size on gold, you're risking more than if you were to do it on like um like YM. Please tell me you got this. I'm dead. Kind of G though. At me when we buys. I can't hear. I'm gonna. Smoky. That's hilarious. How is everyone in the chat doing? YouTube stream as well. Nathan, what's good? How you guys doing? We got 12 of you guys over there. What's up? What's up? What's up? NASDAQ mobile. How much length EMA you use? So I actually use the smoothed moving averages, and I use the 8, the 50, and the 200. You going for buys NAS 100? I'm looking at them. You can see I have them up right here. I would love to take them, but it depends if we break up. You said you're traveling, so that means we get Luca, no internet. No, I'll still be live. It's from the other side of the world. Yes. Hey, Luca, how do you set your zones for buying or selling? Like, how do you decide how big to make them? It's really just the areas, right? You can see here it's because these wicks are a little bit longer, so I have it from there all the way to the body, up in here kind of as well. It's just a general area. Like before this, I had a coaching call, and yeah, someone asked about like, Luca, why is it that we don't just buy or sell once it gets past the zone? And it's like because you don't really have the entry confirmations just yet, right? Depending on the price action you want to see happen near the breakout areas will determine what we're looking for. But if we're just like, especially like in here, like coming up and just doing this type of thing, like that's definitely not a trade that we want to be in. Geez, it's only 12:20, guys. It's the slowest like thing ever. Hey, Luca, can you explain the difference between a funded account and a live account? Like when the prop firm moves you from funded to live? Yeah, so when you get moved from funded to live is because it's usually due to trading behavior, right? If you're a trader who doesn't really demonstrate that, I don't want, I'm not trying to diss or anything, but like profitable tendencies, then you're less likely to want to get to move to straight to live because you know, like I said, is that you just don't have the tendencies. But over time, like everything, is that traders improve, they get better, and that the data shows for it, right? Of how you end up trading. So it really has to do with that. Yes, sir. One up. Yeah, 100%. Like I said, it's not just us. It's DX that we're waiting on to confirm, but 100%. Is there a website or tool including what kind of lot size? Um, yes, you can just type that in online. Lot size calculator. All right, guys, we're coming down to these lows. Looks like we're getting so Nas just broke out. Like I said, I wanted to kind of come here, maybe come back up. If it starts to sell, we'll look for a break and a retest of this area. But I don't like that YM US 30 is all the way up here, and that we have NASDAQ starting to bleed right here. See, we're taking out these lows. Like at the end of the day, guys, if we come here, we could look to go long. Like, what do you guys think? The 30-minute. Like right here, for example, every time we've kind of come up, we've rejected a little bit, led to a new high. Rejected a little bit, led to a new high. We could be coming down just to what I talk about at the beginning of this, guys. Accumulation, or leading to the manipulation, and we'll see if we can distribute. All we need now is volume and some sort of entry confirmation. We just got a closure. We have an IFEG right here. Ooh, we rejected that gap pretty good. Ooh, we got this 5-minute, 1 minute. Get ready for this, guys. It might be a. Might try and take a quick scalp in here. I think this 5-minute candle. I don't want to see a closure here, guys, but I might give it a shot. I'll let you guys know. All right, guys. I give NASDAQ a go. Buys on NASDAQ because I think we're about to get this closure on this 5-minute. Stops below the candle low. And let's try and see if we can capitalize on this trade back up to the highs. We've been ranging anyways. We just inverted this fair value gap after taking out these lows that we talked about. This could be a classic accumulation. We manipulate the lows and then distribute to these highs. So I just gave it a shot. And let's see if we can continue. NASDAQ for first trade. We've been choppy. But we'll see. That's good, coach. I'm new here. What's the best funding to choose? I want to buy an account. It depends what you're looking for, bro. 50K, 100K, 150K. Ooh, we're starting to dump here, guys. I'll let you guys know. I got my stops right below these lows. If we come and just fill this wick, that's going to be brutal. But like I said, we manipulated these lows. Looks like we faked out. I want to see us come back into this range. Nothing on YM. Nothing on YM just yet. NASDAQ's starting to look good. Once you break above this previous high, I'll probably go break even. Come on. Give me a little bit more. Starting to come break above there. Boom. All right, guys. Break even. Stops break even. Hope we don't just come down here. My stops are at break even, guys. Let's see if we can hit this TP. Boom. Target one smash. Let's go. Keep it going. Keep it flying. TP2 above these highs. Come on. Stop playing with the kid. W's in the chat, guys. W's in the chat. US 30 is not doing anything yet. Let's go. If you guys remember the very beginning of this stream, I literally called out the manipulation of these lows coming back into the range, and then we capitalized on it. Easy as that. Keep it going, guys. W's in the chat. Come on. More W's. W go. Come on. Keep them coming. Every session, it doesn't matter, guys. 200 more people eating with us. Caught this little manipulation of these lows coming back up. We're targeting the highs. Target one already smashed. Let's see if we can come up with these highs, guys. W's in the chat every single day. I literally call it to the T. This manipulation, catching it back after we invert here, come back up. So W's in the chat. Let's go and see if we can come and raid those highs. Let's go. Stop missing out on the streams. Big W's. Sheesh. If you guys do not know the AMD model, you guys just watched it happen in real time, and you don't even know about it? Oh, sheesh. All right, boom. I'm out. That was brutal. This is why you want to manually go break even too. Holy shit. I'm very glad. Oh my god. What just happened? Do we have any news or something? What the hell was that? Oh, it was only on NQ. That did nothing to YM. 5-minute orb was just tapped. Orb on what? Sheesh. US 30 guys starting to reject here. Like, if you guys want to try and go short below these lows, I don't know, but why did that just happen on NASDAQ? And if you guys don't understand why you guys go break even based upon candle structure, is that I always will say this, is that liquidity is sitting above and below highs and lows. So if you get to a point where you get into a profitable trade, you're already up at TP1 and you're taking out highs, always go and put your stops to break even. And this is honestly a really good example as to why when I say to like manually go break even, like actually go and put your stops at break even so that it doesn't just fly and you're like, oh, what the heck happened? That's the reason why stop losses and stuff exist. 100%. NASDAQ's starting to move. US 30 is still going sideways, guys. Gold. Oh, sheesh. Gold coming down. Gold's not doing too much, honestly. That was crazy. How much did you make? I broke even. I didn't close. I did not close at TP1. I was trying to see if we can go to those highs. Break even. Yeah. I mean, that happened quick. Like I said, though, I'm very glad. If you guys saw when we first got into that trade, there's a bunch of volume pushing up. Because I've been trading for so long, I'm very aware about, like, it's one thing to say, oh, I'm going break even, but it's another thing to actually go and manually put them, because if it comes down super fast, it could blow past your break even before you can do anything about it. So when I say manually break even, guys, that's usually why I mean it. It's literally because of that. You're gonna enter again after the retracement. Yeah, like we came down. We're still hitting this gap, but we already liquidated the lows that I wanted. We literally came. If we go to the 5-minute, you guys will see, but literally talked about these lows right here with this for value gap, but we came tapping this for value gap perfectly, and I wanted to see this push back up. We still might do it. Look at it, actually. We're still holding that gap, and we're still holding this low. We could just, gone and hit out a little bit early, but we could see if we continue here. Enter again off the 50% retracement still in. Nice. Greed be hiring Luca, bro. All I gotta say is that if you think it's greedy by not taking profits at TP1, you guys haven't been trading long enough. TP1 is a non-stop battle. That's why I even laughed at like that video Mama posted the other day of like being a break-even trader. It's him walking backwards on an escalator. Bro, TP1 traders are literally like, I don't know. I think it's like one step forward, one step back. Two step forward, two steps back. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just this whatever. Risk reward is the only thing that actually gets you a little bit ahead. So yes, I hit break even. I could have closed some good profits there, but at the end of the day, I know that like you can't beat math. You guys literally can't beat math. So we have a high win rate and we go for risk reward. The math is there. The math will math. 25362 close. I'm trying to sell 25362. Oh, you're probably trading on. That's annoying too. I think that we're just correcting to go back up. What video Mamba where? It's on his Instagram. He posted a video being like what it's like being a break-even trader. And it's just him like walking on an escalator backwards. So he's like not going anywhere. And even though TP1's not being a break-even trader, I just think that like, you know, losing happens in trading. So if you only win 1% and you lose 1% and you win 1% and you lose 1%, you're just not going anywhere. It's about losing 1% but then winning 2%, losing 1% but then winning 3%, losing 1%, and at that point it's like you've taken 3 losses in 3 wins, but your 3 wins make you that you're up like 4%, whereas like if you did TP1 at all of them, you'd be break even. Look at US30 though, guys. You can see us coming down, taking out those lows, and we're coming up to this trend line. I don't like that we've been a lot more choppy on US30. NASDAQ's the one that's had some good volume for us. You can see we're holding these lows. I don't really see any like IFVGs or anything that we could play off of. This would strictly be playing off of this tap. This didn't close below the whatever. We're literally just reacting off this gap and off this demand. So I'm not in, but just letting you guys know my thought processes. I would probably rather buy right now than sell, just due to the fact that like we accumulated, we manipulated, came back down. We could have some sort of move back up to take out these highs before, you know, going either direction. Let's go. Go. Do you stay until the 1250 candle? Yeah, I mean, I'm here for now. I'm just not really seeing anything as of now. Like, I like, you know, US 30 came down. We kind of took out this low and they're coming up. But I would love to see us kind of like, boom, that, something like that, kind of. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. How my people on YouTube doing? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? It should be up today. Hello, hello. Uh oh, did I break it? Didn't. Starting to push a bit, guys. Like I said, as I like this, I think going pro, like staying bullish, is what I want. But I'm not going to enter right away, guys. Let's give it into this 5-minute closure in 3 minutes. And let's see. Yes, sir. Big body Ivan. We call him Brick House. Sheesh. Goated. Stops at break even. That's what I'm saying. Thank you, Benjamin. Justin, good shit. I already knew a bunch of you guys were in there. A lot of you guys always take the trades that I mark up. Doesn't matter if it really doesn't matter. That was a banger trade, though. I can't lie. I didn't execute on it, so I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, I'm up fans, whatever. I'm always honest with you guys. But I will say that a lot of you guys did not like my bullish bias. And look, we took the manipulation. We came back in. All we needed was this final sweep down to this demand. And we're going. That's crazy. What's funny is Target 2 is still up in the same area. Let's go Thrasher dope. Bam! Come on, though. Like, at the end of the day, you guys can't say that I don't call these freaking charts. It's like, pow, pow, pow. Straight sniper with us. Explain this all down to the T. That's that AMD model? Exactly. Ran and got a drink but missed the entry, bro. You gonna leave during the stream? Just reached my 3K goal on my pro account. Let's go. W. Mr. Russo. You the GOAT, bro. This might continue, guys. US 30. Now you guys can see why I liked NASDAQ more today. There's a lot more volume. A lot of you guys always ask me. So for all you guys who always ask me about finding what's it called? Like finding volume, knowing which pair is better to do. Like you guys have to remember, I've been doing this for 6 years, but I clearly saw we had so much more volume on NASDAQ. So even though they both were kind of coming down, I was like, this buy is so much more clean. It has so much boom. We just wick TB2 right there, guys. Taking out these highs as well. So if you guys are in this, I definitely would take some oh my god. Holy crazy. Definitely close some partials and stuff, guys. That's actually wild. All I gotta say is bang! Bang, 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 bang. Thanks for the setup, champ. I appreciate it. Yes, sir. I got all you guys. Setups to the T, bangers all day, every day. This is your guys' first time back, doing Power Hour with us. Come on. Make sure you guys keep tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button too if you guys are over on YouTube. Come on. Let's go. Roll that to the top. W, bro. So now you guys understand why I was more bullish, even though when we sell down here, having that overall bias still of us just retracing this. The only difference is that, we were on the 1 minute when we caught this. The 5 minute you could see was so clean for this based upon our distribution leg, our retracement into the demand, and then taking the break back up. Incredible, Luca. Appreciate it. DP2, let's go. Yes, sir. I love y'all. You guys are the best. The streams are always so fun with you guys, so I appreciate you guys always showing up. Let's come back and kill it tomorrow to end the week freaking crazy. If you guys need anything, always feel free to DM me here on Discord or go to my Instagram, LUCA.NOLIMIT, and obviously DM me there. But go use code LUCA, get your guys' legacy accounts ready so you guys can come and kill it with us daily here on stream. But I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for pulling up, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow to finish the freaking week off strong, guys. I appreciate it. Hope you guys learned something today and had some fun. And we'll do it again. Peace out, gang. Peace out, YouTube as well. I love y'all. Peace.